Wow, is it bright. This is the roof. We have a leak. It's over there. And I forgot to wear my sunglasses. Wow. Let me show you how I fix leaks. I think this is probably the best method. It's wicked simple. You gotta spend a little money. Wow, I'm under the shade. This is my solar array, by the way. That's my neighbor's solar array. Yeah, there'll be a video coming out about that. The leak could be here. It might be here. There used to be a pipe coming up through here from a Modine heater, you know, like a gas Modine heater. It's been covered up, but with the heavy storms, we've had some leaks. So yeah, this is the best thing I've ever found to fix leaks on a flat roof. I'll link to this material below. It is expensive, but it works. Wire brush, wherever you're going to apply this material. There's a little bit of wind. I had to go down to the basement. I forgot to get this. 4 flights of stairs for you. Sometimes the sprinkler, the thing just doesn't work, so you want this as clean as possible, because if there's dirt under here, then you just have less adhesion. I mean, what's it take to see? Look at all that. I sound like a Windex commercial here. You basically are gonna lay this stuff down, and it costs a fortune, so you might as well do the prep. And the prep is really easy. It's called a paper towel and some Windex. My neighbor's dog is always barking at us. This is not a giant roll of toilet paper. It is, I think it's a nylon mesh. This is key to fixing flat roofs. A lot of people just slap down some tar and walk away. We're gonna slap down a special material and this. Well, I'll just show you, but get this, okay? Don't cheap out. If you cheap out, your roof's gonna leak. So that will lay like that. My hands are really sweaty and I'm trying to put on these gloves. So what do you do? How do you, talcum powder work or something? I don't know. If you don't wear gloves, you just want to wear gloves, okay? Just take it from me. Learn from me. I have to go to a backyard party tonight, so I don't want to have white roof glue on my hands. I might have it on my clothes, but that's Eric. Wow, does that smell? I have tried all sorts of roof repair materials, and this is the best thing by far for what are these called? Flat roofs, torch down roofs, cold patch roofs, cold glued roofs. You know what I mean. But like roof tar and that, it just doesn't hold up. This is UV stable and it is bulletproof. Use a sacrificial brush. You're gonna throw this brush out when you're done. Work it in where you think the leak is. I mean, look at that. Can you see that? Can you see how rubbery that is? And then you take your mesh material and you lay that in and press it in. It's kind of hard to show, wow, that really smells. Kind of hard to show the work and me at the same time here. I'm not gonna get this on my clothes, I promise. But then you wanna put another layer on here. This is so graceful roof repair. That'll be the title of this one. I just wanted to show you something that I think works really well. As you know, if you have a flat roof, if you have any kind of a leak, like on an RV or a mobile home, a skylight that's leaking, this stuff is amazing. Several different brands sell it. I'll link to it below. You're gonna have to, underneath the video, there'd be the word more, and you gotta click on that word, and then you'll get they'll show you the text description. It's the one thing I found that works. So I am going to fill this in. Do you see how I'm pressing this into the mesh? I'm making sure the mesh is all coated, sealed along the edges here. Just put your finger on the mesh and hold it, and then brush away. You can brush back, away, back, away. Don't be afraid to use a lot of the white sealant. Quick trick on how to get rid of a paintbrush like this. Grab it with your glove, right? And then take your glove off. And you've got a paintbrush in a glove, and it doesn't get paint all over or glue all over. Nice, huh? I just want to share with you stuff I do, and this is something you do in New York. These are all flat roofs, and sometimes they leak. This is the stuff that works. Let me know what you think. Want to spend more time with me? Maybe a video of there might be something floating here. If you click on it, it's another video of mine. That's what I'm supposed to say. That's what YouTube wants me to say. So, I'll see you later.